Millions of people snore in their sleep. And outside of being loud and maybe annoying to their partners, that snoring can be a sign of a more dangerous sleep condition. In today's Your Healthy Family, I'm explaining the risks and signs you or your loved one snoring may be something more serious.
Even though it can be annoying or keep you from sleeping,
snoring by itself really is not much of a problem.
But a neurologist who focuses on sleep says it can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Dr. Daniel Barone says it happens when muscles that support soft tissues in your throat relax, narrowing or closing your airway and temporarily cutting off your breathing. People with this condition may make gasping or snorting noises while sleeping.
Sleep apnea does not result in people choking to death or dying in their sleep, but what happens is the airway is closing off, and that can trigger them to wake up, even if they're not aware of it. Essentially, you're choking throughout the night, and it's almost as if your body is fighting against itself.
Dr. Barone says this can raise blood pressure and heart rate, and over time, that takes a toll on your body and can lead to heart attack or stroke.
If you snore and you're tired, or if you snore and you have other conditions associated with sleep apnea, for example, like diabetes or hypertension, you may want to get it tested because the snoring in that case could be representative of sleep apnea.
So the snoring's waking you up?
Yeah.
If you're diagnosed with sleep apnea, he says you can wear a CPAP machine at night.
It's going to blow pressurized air in here, which then goes all the way down to the back of the throat, and it's going to force the airway open. The snoring will be eliminated, but more importantly, the sleep apnea will also be eliminated.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says treatment of other medical problems like congestive heart failure may also help resolve sleep apnea. For Your Healthy Family, I'm Lisa Greenberg, and for more health stories, head to fox4now.com/yourhealthyfamily.